Hi, welcome back to my orchid life. I appreciate you coming by for a visit. So today is about a care collab of this lovely little lady, the Cattleya Cernua, formerly known as a Sophronites Cernua, but as all Sophronites have now been classified as Cattleyas, we're going to talk about Cattleya Cernua. So this care collab was initiated by Fernanda Nascimento, who reached out to Nina, and Nina is the one who reached out to all of us other channels to see if we wanted to participate and kind of go over a little bit of our care guide and what we do. So if my growing environment is not similar to what you grow in, I'm sure you will find one of the channels that has a more similar environment to yours that you can learn about her. If you are growing the Cattleya Cernua and you do videos and would like to participate in the next care collab, reach out to one of us and we'll be more than happy to let the others know so that we can add you and grow the care collab even more. So let's get started. Now, I purchased this lovely little thing back in September of 2020 along with my Hariella retricala. So they both came on mounts. I did purchase them from Amazon. They came and they were healthy plants, and I kept her on the mount for about 5 months. I decided in February of 2021 that watering such a small amount on a daily basis just did not fit into my lifestyle. I do still have a full-time job, so that just was not fitting in, and I feel like I was doing her an injustice because she was drying out quite quickly when she probably shouldn't have. So I decided to repot both of them. I repotted them both into just all moss, and I set them underneath a grow light. It was not this Barina grow light that she is currently sitting under. It was just a really cheap grow light. I just wanted to see what would happen. Long story short, she sat under that light and did nothing. The only thing that she did was this root that you see right here growing down into the media. It was about the size of this one here, and it did go down in the media, and then that was it. And she did kind of finish off this growth right here that she actually came with. Again, I was not happy with what she was doing. So in August, what was that? Let's see, February, March, April, May, June, July, August. So say 6 months later, I repotted her yet again into a small bark mixture. And all she's gotten since she's been in this small bark mixture for the first 2 months was just plain distilled water. Now, every once in a while I did use tap water, but that was very rarely. Mainly she's just gotten plain distilled water. Prior to being moved underneath this Barina light, which is, she's sitting kind of towards the edge of the light, and the Barina light is more into the center area here where these two Cattleyas are sitting. Before that, she sat on this black table that was a little bit closer prior to my Christmas rearrangement, closer here. So she was still getting bright light, but she wasn't getting strong bright light. And I did that because after repotting her again, I did not want to continue stressing her and set her back again. So she did continue working on this root. As you can see, it's extended out. And I did notice that she also has what looks like possibly, let's see if I can get it into the right way here, possibly a new growth growing right there. You can kind of see it right there at the bottom. Initially when I saw that, I thought it might be a root, but it does look like she is working on a new growth right there at the tip of my finger, that little brown spot. Now, is she going to bloom for me? Probably not. She's supposed to be blooming size, but I feel like she's a little too small to bloom, so it might be another year or two. I just want her to put on a lot more growth and become a strong, healthy plant. And from what I've researched, the way that she blooms is once a growth kind of matures and the leaf starts to open, you'll be able to see the buds coming out of the stem because they will bloom off of the leaf joint straight out. And I am looking forward to everyone else's videos so I can see, hopefully, I'm sure there's plenty of people that have theirs in bloom because this is the time of year when she would generally be in bloom. They're kind of orange, reddish orange blooms. So if you have not checked out the other videos, go check them out. I'm sure there's going to be several with blooms, fully open, partially opened, where they can show you a little bit better as far as what you're looking for. Other than that, I don't really have much right now that I can say about her, simply because she's not doing much. She hasn't grown much, but like I said, it does look like she's got a new growth coming. And growing in a home environment, not in a greenhouse, or having her outside part of the year, I'm wondering if she's going to grow and bloom differently than what she would do if she was a little bit closer to her natural habitat. I have been thinking of possibly growing her outside during the next growing season here in Colorado. So leave the comments down below if you think that might help encourage her to put on a lot more growth this year, so that I can see some blooms next year. Again, I appreciate you coming by. I will list all of the other channels that are participating in the description box below, and I will post a link to their videos if it is available. I hope everyone is having a wonderful day. I hope everyone is done Christmas shopping. I know it's the beginning of the month. I'm not even done yet. I don't think I've even started. I have started, I'm just not done. But that's neither here nor there. Everybody have a great and safe day. Go enjoy the other videos. Leave the video a comment. Hit that thumbs up. Subscribe if you don't mind. And we'll see you on the next one.